Today we're going to make a minimalist wallet with a bit of a catch on it. So we're going to have a button. It's going to be a bifold, but it's going to be minimalist. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be a pink wallet for a friend of mine. So we've got our outside piece, inside pieces to form pockets under here. We got a pocket, another pocket, pocket, and another pocket. And then it should close up, and then we'll put a button on there. That'll look pretty good. All right, let's go. And I'm gonna touch up these edges and get the pieces sewed in. Now we've got everything laid out. Now it's time to get everything taped down, punched, and then let's stitch it together. Now I'm going to take several of these pieces of tape. We're going to get it lined right along this edge. Instead of glue, I use fabric tape. Is that the correct way to do it? I don't know. Now it's time to take these protective covers off. Now we're going to stitch the inside edge to form that inside pocket. Always start with my back stitch. Now that's done, on to the next one. Man, that stitching looks good. Let's get these edges sanded down. Now that the edges are all smoothed out, looking nice, we're gonna get these punched, taped, finish this build. And that is gonna be how that looks. Now let's get to the taping. Now we're going to stitch all the way around these edges and make this thing look really nice. Now time to clean up the edges. Now we're going to finish up these edges and it's going to be ready to roll. And there we have it. Spot to put a keychain. It opens up. Nice little pouch. Nice little pouch. This was made to be a wristlet. So this is what we did.